Welcome to the NRF YouTube channel. Today we're gonna unbox Thermostats, our new to range product group. Enjoy! All NRF thermostats comes in full color boxes with NRF logo. Let's open the first one. It's Volkswagen. What we have inside. Alright, this one is an insert one. I know mechanics who also call them a heart because of the shape. Small size but well performing. This one comes with a gasket. Alright. Whoa, sorry for that. Second one, it's Nissan, and because of the size of the boxes, I assume that this one comes in housing. Yes, that's right. It's a Nissan one, Nissan version. I want to show you. Okay, this is how it's made. The quality is really awesome. You can find on each of NRF thermostat, you can find NRF number on it. I don't know if I can show it to you correctly, but this is how it's laser printed. Okay, we've got two. Let's open the second one, the third one, I'm sorry. This one is Land Rover. Okay, now it should work. Yeah, this one is alloy. It's also housing one, but as you can see, full metal body. It has NRF logo. It has an NRF number. In this case it's 725002. Believe me, you cannot see it very well in the camera, but in real life it's really well recognizable. And last but not least, I'm sure it's also housing one because the box is really huge. Look at that, it's like a compressor, box of compressor. Let's check this out. Alright, that's a huge one. Okay, here it is. It's 752179. You can have also a temperature of opening here. This one is also with two pins. Or the inlets and outlets, you can see. Yeah. So, altogether, NRF has 190 SKU in its offer, and what the thermostats do mostly, it's ensuring that your vehicle will have precise temperature control for optimal operating and improve engine cooling system performance, of course. What else? It's regulating and controlling engine operating temperature, as I mentioned, but also accelerate engine warm-up. Prevent engine overheating, what is also reducing engine wear. It's also increasing fuel efficiency. At the same time, it reduces emissions. And of course, last but not least, it is improving cold weather usability. So guys, thumbs up and welcome to buy NRF thermostats.